when the rock and roll, the Beatles and Rolling Stone came, so they are a bit not popular anymore. So this the first song I'm gonna sing is a bit 60 years old. It's called Bengawan Solo. This is the what you call it? The songwriter described a river in Solo. Solo is the name of a place in Central Java, like River Thames. It's very long, and the river flows to the sea. And describe about when it's dry season, the waters goes down, but when the rainy season, the waters goes up, raise, and maybe can float. And then there is a boat there that used to use for the merchant use that boat a lot. This one, the first one, is called Bengawan Solo. I hope you enjoy this. Bengawan Solo, riwayatku ini sedari dulu jadi perhatian insani. Musim kemarau tak seberapa airmu, di musim hujan air meluap sampai jauh. Mata airmu dari Solo terkurung seribu. Air meluap sampai jauh, akhirnya ke laut. Itu perahu, riwayatmu dulu. Kaum pedagang selalu naik itu perahu. Mata airmu dari Solo terkurung gunung seribu. Air mengalir sampai jauh, akhirnya ke laut. Bengawan Solo, riwayatmu ini sedari dulu jadi perhatian insani. Additional information about keroncong. Usually, they play in a set of small orchestra. They got 2 ukulele and flute and violin and contrabass or cello and of course guitar melody. So yeah, for the next song, I want you to imagine that I've been accompanied by Invisible, the small orchestra. Well, yeah, it's a bit, this song, the next song, is older rather than the first songs. And I don't really know how old, but this is a very, what you call it, a famous rhythm, and it's been, I think it's been played by a lot of keroncong group before, and because it's very famous, and they changed the lyric, and because it's so very, what you call it, a different era, keroncong development. I think there is 3 or 4 development since 18 something, and then early 18 something, and then 19 something, and then now the modern. But this one from 18 something, and then it's called Keroncong Kemayoran. Kemayoran is a small area in the central Jakarta. Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia, and people who live there mostly, what you call it, originally a tribe from Jakarta. They call Betawi, and most of them live in this area, Kemayoran. That's why they call it Keroncong Kemayoran. And this one is more happy rhythm, this one. And yeah, they like a very poetic and rhymey. Yeah, like in this song you will hear about like at the end of the lyric, the verse, like you can have a N and then ing with ing, yeah, gunting, like bujang with sayang, yeah, and then pandan, badan, jaro, separuh. Well, this is a more happy rhythm, and well, yeah, if you can imagine, I've been accompanied by this small orchestra, and if you feel you wanna move your body and yeah, follow the rhythm, yeah, you're most welcome. This is called Keroncong Kemayoran, and here you are. La 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 la, paling enak si mangga udang, jiwa manis itu disayang. La 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 la, oh, pohonnya tinggi, buahnya jarang. Cabai rawit di pohon aren, nggak punya duit, pokoknya keren. Kedondong, mateng dibanting, rambutnya gondrong, nggak mampu gunting. La 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 la, paling enak si orang bujang, rasa manis itu disayang. La 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 la, palinglah enak, pergi kemana kagak dilarang. Satu-satu si duri pandan, baju satu, ring di badan, kursi males di atas jarok, ngopi segelas, ngaku separoh. La 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 la, oh, lagulah ini menghibur diri. Bikini cabe rawit di pohon aren, nggak punya duit, pokoknya keren. Dan condong matang dibanting, rambutnya gondrong, nggak mampu gunting. La 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 la, paling enak si orang bujang, jiwa manis Indonesia sayang. La 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 pulanglah pagi kagak dilarang. Satu-satu si duri pandang, baju satu kering di badan. La 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 la, paling enak si mangga udang, jiwa manis Indonesia sayang. Lagulah ini